Hi, this is Dave Johnston with Day Trade the Markets, and we're looking at a chart of the Emini S&P for the December contract. I got filled up in here. I'm sorry I had to step away, so I just got back to the computer, and you can see it has dropped from here. We were filled at 2204.75. This was after an early long trade that got rejected, so I just went ahead and put an order in just at the earlier low, and just near the midpoint here. Really, you can see where these two bars overlap. It's what we call the sweet spot trade. I'll just highlight that here. These two magenta bars overlap right here, so I put the order right at the low of it, knowing I'd have to step away. But anyway, just got back, and we got filled on that. So I want to go ahead and at least get some profit out of this now that I'm back in here. It has come down to a known area, of potential support in here. So I'm going to go ahead and buy half of this position back right here. Let's see, we're up. I'll put it in here at 275. Maybe we get pulled back here. I may have to just jump out on part of this if it does start to move up, but maybe it'll pull back here, hopefully for another tick, and we can get a 2-point fill on this. So sometimes I use the automated trade management tool, but I didn't on this occasion. I'm just going to pop this up here. I don't know if we're going to get filled, but I want to at least get some profit out of this trade. So I brought it up to 325. So let's see if we can get filled. And then on the other one, I'm going to put a protective buy stop in right here. Buy stop right here. Okay, I'm going to have to jump out of this here at there's at 350. So we got out of two of them at 350. So I'll just mark that in here. That was right in here. So we'll just highlight that a bit more. And I'll just put in where we've got our stop right here right now. And I'll also go ahead and put in our entry price right in here. So, the trade, it's funny how these things happen like that, but at any rate, when you got to step away sometimes. So got filled on that, and I've got to stop in here just to salvage a couple of ticks out of that, and we'll see what happens. It has come down into an area, not so much of support, because when we take a look at this area in around this 2203, 2202 area, it's where the market gapped up from last Wednesday to Thursday on the shortened trading days on Thursday and Friday. So there's a bit of a gap there. And then we just come in and tested below it. So we could very well be rejected out of here. And who knows, maybe get stopped on this. But at any rate, that's really the trade that we got going. Okay, we just got filled on that. So, okay, so just two ticks on two contracts and a 1.25 on the other two. So 1.25 times 2, that's 250, or 2.5 points, and then another. What was this again? It was a half a point on 2, so that's another point there. So 3.5 points total on that trade. So anyway, I guess that's what you get when you got to step away for a few minutes. But at any rate, there's a trade for 3.5 points. If you recall earlier, we had another trade that when the market was rejected earlier here, and we got on board right away, and it shot up and then came back down, and we were stopped. We got a 3-point profit on that, and just I think one tick on the second exit. This time 2 ticks on that, but not as much on the way down. So it did move from 475 up here, and it got down to 2. So yeah, there could be a turning of the guard here. We're going to keep an eye on this, and perhaps want to make another trade onto the long side. So as a matter of fact, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to go ahead and place an order right in here to buy 2. As a matter of fact, I think I'll change that to 4. I'll change it to 4. And I'm going to stop this recording right now. But I do have this order here resting, and should the market pull back and get us filled on that, I'll go ahead and start recording that. So at any rate, there's a second trade of the day for Monday, November the 28th, 2016. If you want to contact us, we're at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching. See you next time.